Equity Group Holdings' strategy of putting purpose first resulted in remarkable performance for the first quarter of the year 2021. The group saw profit after tax rise by a significant 64% to 8.7 billion shillings in the first 3 months of the year, compared to 5.3 billion shillings registered within a similar period in 2020. Releasing the results at the group's head office in Nairobi, the group CEO and Managing Director Dr. James Mwangi said purpose has proved profitable.
Living up to who we have always been, a purpose-first organization that recognizes community operating license might be more important than the regulator's license, and recognizing community as a significant stakeholder in our business, and investing and giving them returns commensurate with the support that they have done.
The group returned strong Q1 results in a challenging environment amidst the multifaceted COVID-19 crisis of health, economic disruption, and humanitarian challenges, giving hope of resilience and recovery. Equity focused on social impact investment, committing 1.7 billion shillings to the health sector in response to the COVID-19 pandemic. The group also accommodated 171 billion shillings loans for up to 3 years of principal and interest repayment breaks to enable businesses to thrive.
We have continued to waive transaction fee related to mobile banking, and bearing in mind that 98% of our transactions are online, the bulk of them, or 87% of them, are on mobile. Despite that fact, we have been able to bounce back to pre-COVID days with 42% income being generated from non-funded business.
The bank focused on risk mitigation and management in a challenging environment, enhancing non-performing loans coverage through credit and risk-sharing guarantees with development financial institutions.
Different market segments react and respond differently to shocks. When we look at the COVID shock, agriculture performed better. Just in 1 year, the contribution of agriculture to our balance sheet has doubled from 3% to 6%, because that was a safe haven for us to lend. It is the diversification in currencies that insulate us from even translation risks and items like foreign exchange risk. Today, 41% of equity balance sheet is in dollars, and 59% is the only one in local currencies. That diversification has helped us a lot to reduce even translation risk and cost when it comes to the balance sheet.
Equity recorded a 31% revenue growth, buoyed by growing non-funded income, treasury efficiency, geographical expansion, and business diversification.
Interconnectedness and using fintech capabilities have given us ability to have a global presence, and as a result, we've become a major processor of remittances and the payments around the world, and including global presence across currencies, reflecting on forex trading across the region.
In a trend that points to replicating Kenya's success, subsidiaries accounted for 40% of group's assets and 37% of group's revenue.
Sovereign risk diversification through geographical expansion and business diversification has also been pursued aggressively, while balance sheet optimization and pursuit of efficiency and agility of the balance sheet has been central, because we are coming out of a crisis, and as opportunities that come with emerging growth, we need to quickly reallocate the balance sheet on the green shoots that the market is offering.
The group grew its balance sheet by 54% to reach 1.07 trillion shillings, driven by a 58% growth in customer deposits.
With humility, we have accepted the trust society has given us to be an industry leader in the banking and financial sector, having the largest balance sheet, highest market capitalization in the region, the highest customer base, and that vote of trust, we take it seriously. We take it as a sacred responsibility, and we will remain true to the promise we have made to our stakeholders in the management and running of this bank.
Equity brand popularity is soaring on account of its social engagement through the purpose-first strategy of shared prosperity. This is evidenced by the Wings to Fly and Elimu scholarships, Equity Afya Health Services, environmental protection through tree planting, and clean energy product offering.